I'm sure in everyone's life they had this rough patch that they had to face in some points. I mean, what can we do? Continue pushing. Hack, 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 hack. Okay, that's too much now. That is too much. It's like God saying, stay longer there, ne? Stay longer there. Nee, man. I can't. Why? Why did I want to be grown up? Because law. Yeah. If only I could transform into a bird and just fly everywhere.